This is why I say about 85% of my work is all rewire jobs. Look at this. These were held on by sound. Look at that. That's what was holding the amp in. Look at this. This was tucked on the side over there. This is like $500 for this when he could have just got a newer damn radio. This is 21. Then they cut too big of a hole on this side. It's a damn tweeter moving. Then look at this. That's the one bag. This the other bag. And then this bag, the disconnect came off. Fix that. It's a 21 Ultra Classic. So I say about 85% of my work is this. Crazy. Crazy as hell, bro.